We invite you to the Library of the Blind and Visually Impaired at Kotnikova 32 in Ljubljana, to the exhibition, From Script to E-Readers. The exhibition presents around 60 objects. A leaflet describes some of these objects, and an e-Braille reader catalog offers more comprehensive access. You can also type Braille Museum on your mobile phone for direct access. An audio and text catalog is available, including additional resources, with nearly 30 videos on YouTube that show how these objects were used. For groups, we also provide a live introductory film lasting about 30 minutes. Some items demonstrate how Braille was used for education and work, including audio tapes. The exhibition is open on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Welcome.